Hey guys, today we're going to have a first look at the KZ AS10s. Today we're looking at the new KZ AS10s. This is going to be a quicker review, more of a first look. Later on I'll probably do a further review, more of a comparison review. I really just wanted to have a look at them, test them out. These were sent to me, so I will throw a few links down below. But first off, the packaging is obviously different to the previous KZs. Normally get that small little white box. They've stepped it up a little bit. A lot nicer packaging than previous KZ models. But these are also more expensive than previous KZ models. Each model seems to be getting more expensive than the last, but they're also making them better each time, adding more drivers and slowly getting better quality. And in that packaging we got that little steel badge. I'm not really sure what this is for, but it's a nice little touch. With the AS10 we've got the same cable as the previous AS4s, AS10 braided copper cable. They seem to be good cables, get a really nice sound. They do tangle a lot though. And we also got the same earbuds as last time. Probably would have been better to get some new ear tips rather than spending money on an extra little steel badge, but it's not that hard to upgrade the ear tips, so it's not a really big deal. So looking at these earbuds, similar styling to the last few models. However, they're half blacked out so you can't see inside the earbuds. It was really cool to be able to see inside the AS4 and the AS10. But apparently we've got 5 balanced armature drivers in each earbud, so 10 overall. So similar to the AS10, they had 4 balanced armature and 1 dynamic. These just have 5 balanced armature. I believe with the KZ the bass normally comes from the dynamic driver, so I was really interested to see how these sounded. They actually had really nice low end. They're not big and boomy, they don't give really big sub bass. If you haven't tried IMs like these, they're not going to give you a big boom, a huge bass like an over-ear, a headphone. But like I said, they do have lots of low end, really full sounding earbuds. They're also really loud. I only ever ran them at around 80%. The highs are really nice, not overly bright, didn't seem to have much sibilance. Like I said, they are really loud and the highs are loud. They are quite harsh if you have them at 100%. So I did turn them down a little bit. They should soften a little bit with burn-in time, but overall really nice sounding earbud. They're quite forward sounding, really immersive sound. They have a really nice wide sound stage, lots of detail, lots of separation. You probably expect that with so many drivers. It's not always the case, but similar to the ES4, AS10, lots of separation, lots of detail. Compared to the ES4 and the AS10, I'd say these have more of a bassy sound signature, a little bit warmer and deeper sounding. The sound signature is probably a little bit closer to the AS3s, but with those drivers you obviously get a lot more separation, a lot more definition, more like the AS10s. So for my first look, I'm really liking these AS10s. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. If you want me to compare them to any other KZs, check out my other reviews, you'll find out which ones I've tried. I'll probably put a list up here. I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.